Hey guys, welcome once again to BrinaCreations. In today's video, we're going to be making a healthy recipe, which is jollof rice and beans. So first, I'm going to start by parboiling my rice. I'm parboiling about 3 to 4 cups of rice, and I'm going to let this cook for a few minutes to allow the rice cook just a little bit, to be at about the same cooking stage with the beans that I already have prepped over the weekend. So I'm frying my onions in the oil with some bay leaf, curry, thyme, mixed spices, seasoning cubes and all of that. I'm going to let this simmer for a few minutes. That way all the flavor from the spices are infused into the oil. And next I'm going to be adding my already fried stew base. I usually fry my stew base over the weekend as well, and this is one of the things I do to make my life easier as a working mom who has a 9-to-5 job, a very busy one at that. So I'm going to be adding my seasoning at this point now. I'm going to be stirring very well, and then I'll be tasting for other ingredients as well. I've also added my meat. I did not allow my meat to thaw, which I usually do. In another video, I'll show you guys how I meal prep ahead of time to make my weeks easier and to enable me make fresh meals daily. So I already cooked my meat and I just put it in there, and I'm just going to be cooking it in this sauce to allow the flavor get into the meat. So I'm just going to allow it cook for a little bit, and then I'll bring out the meat and then continue my cooking process. So that's it guys. My name is Oge and I'm reaching from Abuja, Nigeria. I make videos on healthy living, great recipes and how to manage your home on a budget. I also share videos on gardening as I have a passion for nature, and that's how I share what I feel or how I feel. I express myself in that manner sometimes. So if you like videos like this, you want to subscribe, share, like, and then drop your comments below guys. I would really appreciate it. So now I have removed all the meat, and next we're going to be adding a little bit more seasoning because I didn't want to add all the seasoning at that stage. I'm also going to add in some spicity for some color and some more flavor. If you're doing all healthy stuff, you want to skip this. This is not healthy by the way guys. We're hoping to graduate to a level beyond where we have to use artificial spices. So that means I'm going to be making my spices in the future. Don't forget to tag along so that you see that when it comes eventually to life. So I've added some water. I've also added my meat stock, and then my water is boiled now, and I'm adding my rice. This is local rice, and I chose it because it has less starch, and of course it's healthier and cheaper. If you want to know how to wash local rice, I'm going to be linking that video in this description as well as on top of the video up there so that you can also click. I already pre-cooked my beans like I told you guys earlier, so I'm just adding it now, and this makes my life easier. I mean, I don't have to worry about picking beans every single time I have to cook a meal, and this is really, if you try this method, you're going to love it. So I just added some salt to taste, and then our rice and beans is ready. At this stage it is really yummy. I wish I added more tomatoes, but I mean it's okay just as is. We're going to be adjusting sooner or later. And then because we always do health living here, we're going to be washing it down with some vegetables. And yeah, that's it guys. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and then drop your comments below. I'll be really glad to read from you guys. Don't forget to eat healthy, stay safe, and love yourself. And remember, you can always do this on a budget without having to break the bank. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.